Okay, what do we have today?
You'll never hear a hybrid, full electric system or a vehicle designer singing about good vibrations. But with the Molex Imperium high voltage, high current connector system, these designers can reliably connect up to 1000 volts and 250 amps per contact. The Imperium HVHC system addresses multiple challenges in electrifying commercial vehicles. The connectors have a closed loop, 360-degree shield to mitigate EMI and RFI concerns, and the headers have a face shield with redundant grounding tabs to simplify grounding. To keep operators safe, the connectors integrate MX150 high-voltage interlock loop crimp terminals to eliminate arcing that can occur when disconnecting at high voltages, and protective insulated contact caps that meet touch-proof industry safety requirements. Molex Imperium HVHC uses highly conductive single-piece contacts with very low contact resistance, which minimizes power loss, are IP 6K, 9K when mated, and they have a compression face seal that requires less enclosure machining and allows the connectors to be used with cast or low-cost sheet metal enclosures.